We all want healthy, long, frizz-free, and beautiful hair. So today I'm going to reveal my top 12 hair care secrets to get healthy, strong hair that actually works. So let's get into it. So my first secret is for frizzy hair. I know how easily frizzy hairs can ruin your look. It is totally normal to have them. And so to treat them, you can use flaxseed gel. Now, I cannot emphasize enough how good it is for dry, damaged, dull hair. It reduces frizz in hair, deeply conditions hair, making it look healthy, shiny, and super soft. Hands down, flaxseed gel is the best hair treatment for hair. To make this gel, you need to add approximately 2 cups of water with around half a cup of flax seeds. Bring that to a boil for 10 minutes. Once it starts boiling, you'll notice a white froth on top. Then, you can reduce the heat and simmer for about 5 minutes. Once it's done cooking, you then strain the gel from the seeds. The gel will get thicker as it cools. Apply the gel to your hair lengths and let it stay for 30 to 60 minutes. Wash it off normally. My next hair secret is to always dilute your shampoo with water before applying it directly to your scalp. This simple step helps the shampoo spread more evenly, cleanse your hair and scalp better, and prevents it from drying out your scalp. Additionally, diluting your shampoo allows you to use less quantity, helping you save money in the long run. My third secret is using a microfiber towel to dry your hair after washing. It's a more gentle and soft option compared to normal towels, as it doesn't create frizz, hair loss, split ends, or damage. Investing in a microfiber towel is definitely worth it for maintaining healthy hair. Alternatively, you can also use a cotton t-shirt to dry your hair. These shirts are lightweight and gentle on the hair, making them another excellent option for drying your hair without causing damage or frizz. Using a wooden brush instead of plastic ones. People think it does really matter what kind of hairbrush you use, but I am here to tell you it most certainly does. When you use a wooden brush, it absorbs your hair's natural oils. So when you brush your hair, it distributes these oils evenly and conditions your hair from scalp till the ends. And it also reduces static, frizzy hair and breakage, reducing hair fall, and it's just the perfect tool if you're trying to grow long, healthy hair. You will never ever go back to using a plastic or a metal brush again. And they also massage acupressure points on your head, which is great for stimulating circulation to the scalp and promoting healthy hair growth. It's like every time you use this, you are getting a scalp massage. Really does make a big difference. A helpful tip is to always brush your hair from bottom to top to avoid breakage and ensure gentle detangling. I swear by the benefits of hair oiling for hair health. Hair oils, although are pretty basic, but are often underrated in their effectiveness when chosen and applied correctly and consistently. It's recommended to use rosemary oil for extreme hair growth. It is too scientifically backed how effective this oil is to regrow hair even on bald patches, while castor oil is also ideal for hair thickness, reducing hair fall, and promoting hair growth. However, due to its thick consistency, I suggest creating a mixture of oils with 1 tablespoon of pure cold-pressed castor oil, along with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or olive oil as a carrier oil. Add 2 to 3 drops of rosemary essential oil for enhanced benefits. A useful tip is to slightly warm the oil mixture before applying, as it helps penetrate deeper into the scalp and promotes blood circulation. Apply this oil mixture to your scalp and don't skip the massaging step, whether using your fingertips or a scalp massager. Consistently following this routine can significantly improve the health and appearance of your hair. One more tip for combating frizzy and dry hair is to apply argan oil to the ends of your hair after washing, while it's still slightly damp. Argan oil is an excellent choice for overnight use or after washing, because it's lightweight and doesn't leave a greasy residue. It effectively moisturizes the hair, acts as a natural serum to tame frizz, and adds shine and volume to your hair. My secret 2-ingredient hair mask for hair growth and thickness does wonders. All you need to do is just crack 1 whole egg into a clean bowl along with 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to the mixture. Mix it together and divide your hair into sections, then apply hair mask thoroughly from roots to the end, covering entire hair strands. Let this hair mask stay for 30 minutes on hair, then rinse it with normal water and shampoo your hair. Use this mask twice a week for better results. I have used eggs here because eggs are like gold for nourishing hairs. This superfood is rich in protein and vitamins, promote hair growth and thickness, while olive oil here deeply penetrates into hair strands and moisturizes it, tames frizzy hair. So when you combine egg and olive oil as a hair mask, primarily is to encourage hair growth, also moisturize and add volume to the brittle or frizzy hairs. If your scalp tends to get oily quickly, my next secret is using a scalp exfoliator to remove dead skin cells, just like our face needs it. The thing is, Our hair follicles can get clogged up with product buildup, resulting in dandruff and making it difficult for our scalp to grow hair, leading to greasiness and oiliness. To combat this, we can use ground coffee mixed with a little bit of shampoo. Once a week, massage this coffee and shampoo mixture into your scalp for about 5 minutes, then rinse it off with normal water. Coffee works wonders by absorbing excess oils, exfoliating the scalp, and promoting hair growth by unclogging hair follicles and circulating blood flow. Another way to exfoliate the scalp is by using glycolic acid. Apply glycolic acid on the scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse it off with normal water. Glycolic acid toner gently exfoliates the scalp, removes dead skin cells, reduces scalp buildup, dandruff, itchiness, dirt, and oil, ultimately promoting healthy hair growth by unclogging hair follicles. Lastly, you can also use a silicone scalp massager for exfoliation. These tools are beneficial for detoxing the scalp when used gently in circular motions. They reduce stress, improve circulation, clean dirt, and remove buildup, leading to increased blood circulation and ultimately promoting hair growth. The healthier the scalp, the healthier the hair. Moving on to my next tip, which may not be a secret anymore, but it's a powerful one when it comes to promoting hair growth, using rosemary water on your scalp every night. This natural remedy is like a holy grail for healthy hair growth, and it's incredibly easy to make. To make rosemary water, start by taking a bunch of rosemary leaves and adding them to 2 cups of water. You can also optionally add some cloves for added benefits. Bring the mixture to a boil, and let it simmer for about 5 minutes until it darkens. Allow it to cool down, then strain it into a spray bottle. Now, here's how to use it. Simply spray the rosemary water directly onto your scalp every night before bed. There's no need to wash it off since it's just water and won't make your scalp greasy. You can store any remaining water in the fridge for later use. Incorporate this nightly ritual into your hair care routine, and watch as your hair becomes healthier and stronger over time. As I always say, there is no magical product that could solve your hair issues, but diet is very important for healthy hair. So I'm going to share this biotin smoothie, which is rich in protein and vitamins essential for your hair health. All you need are 4 ingredients: 1 tablespoon of whole pumpkin seeds, which are known for its benefits for hair health, some dates, as dates are rich in iron and vitamins, cut a fresh banana into slices, incredibly rich in biotin and vitamins, and 1 cup of milk. Blend everything together to make the smoothie. Drink this smoothie every other day. With a proper diet, this is how our hair grows. Just applying products to the scalp and waiting for good results won't work because hair grows from the inside out. So you have to treat hair issues from within, pay attention to what you eat, prioritize getting enough sleep, and take care of your body's needs. Avoid stressing yourself too much over things you can't control. If you make sure to eat well and give your body the right kind of nutrients in a balanced ratio, then your body will be very thankful, and it's going to show on your skin, on your hair, on your nails. It will. Other tips to keep hair silky soft and frizz-free overnight and wake up with a good hair day is to start using silk scrunchies and replace them with regular ties. They are more gentle on the hair and prevent breakage. Moreover, replace regular cotton pillowcases with soft and gentle silk pillowcases. They are good for both skin and hair, reducing friction on hair to prevent breakage, frizz, and dryness. The last secret tip is to braid your hair before bed as a protective hairstyle to prevent overnight hair breakage and frizzy hair. These little efforts work wonders, so yes, braid your hair, you lazy girl. In case you want to purchase any hair care product like wooden brush or scalp massager, hair oils and applicator, silk scrunchies and pillowcase, everything that I have mentioned will be linked in the description so you can easily access it. I hope you enjoyed these tips and find them useful. Let me know if you try them. I would love to hear your feedback. If you have any hair care tips that worked for you, please share them in the comment section. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support the channel. I'll be sharing more hair care videos. Meanwhile, you can watch these videos.